Hi, my name is Annalisa, and in this tester session I will show you how you can use Power BI to make informed decisions for your own business. If you haven't seen Power BI before, Power BI will give you the same tool that you will have in an Excel file. So we'll be doing a lot of analysis and some visualizations techniques, and at the same time it will give you more powerful features like sharing data with your own company or with everyone else in the team, or visualizing the dashboards or reports on your mobile or iPads. In this tester session, I will start by talking about different business intelligence techniques to show you where Power BI can actually help you in the business. We will start by looking at the different type of data that you can use in this tool. Remember, we always have like different business, and we do work with different types of data, so we'd like us to be able to integrate as many different data types as possible. After that, we'll be looking at some data analytics, because this is the main focus at the moment, making sure that you are actually analyzing your data in the most effective way, so that then you can take informed decisions for what to do next with your business. The next bit, I will show you how to use Power BI to design a report. This is like the final aim. In the tester session, I will show you how to do a few different types of charts, so that then you'll be able to create the full dashboard. And then the last part will be about publishing this report, which means sharing this report with live data with your own business and with anyone in your team. So this Power BI will give you exactly the same features that you'll have on an Excel spreadsheet. This is how Power BI looks like, but it's not just Excel spreadsheet. You will actually go from Excel to anything that looks like this, so to chart, to description, graph, to descriptive charts, just in a few steps. If you then will decide to take this module, at the end of the module you'll be able to develop the best business intelligence solution for your own business, only using Power BI. If you do have any question, you can get in contact with us. My email address is on the screen, so please get in touch with us and let us know what you think. Thank you.